Here we are, mango chutney. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm gonna make some mango chutney today. These are with the green mangoes. These are called common mangoes or hero mangoes. We have some ripe ones there. I won't be using those. One is ripe, one is almost ripe. I'm gonna be using these green ones. These are very popular mangoes in Jamaica. We don't even sell them, they're just everywhere. So people would they just fall off the trees, but they're nice. If you're gonna eat them, people don't just pick them from the trees and eat all the time. They're much nicer when you pick them and put them down for a little bit and they get a little softer. And they're quite sweet, so they're nice, but they're so common, that's why we call them common mangoes. They're hardly ever sold like around town or so, but it's unlike the East Indians and the Julies. So but these make great like curried mangoes, mango chutneys and all of that. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I started peeling the mangoes. I'm gonna show you how I peel them. As you can see, this will be a little riper, but I'm gonna still use it because the greener ones will have a more sour taste, and this will have a little sweet, so that will be great for the chutney. That combination of flavors will be great for the chutney. So here I usually start like from the bottom, doesn't really matter, so I just peel like this. So what I'm gonna do, because the seed is very hard, so I'm gonna just take off the flesh off the seed when I'm making like curried mangoes now, because I want some of them to have the parts of the seed, the shell of the seed. I would use like what we call a chopper or a machete, and we would just cut through the seed and take out the inside and throw the inside away. But this here now is what it looks like peeled. So I'm gonna peel the rest of them now, and then we'll start taking off well, I can show you now. So this is here, I like to use a cutting board, but I can still show you. So I just cut like this. If you're gonna cut in your hand, make sure your hand is not in line with the knife, like here or so. Keep your hand underneath. Still not very safe. I don't like cutting things in my hand. See, I started that way, but when you're coming down, take your hand out of the line of the knife. That is it. Then I cut off here and here, but I'm going to do that on the cutting board. That's it. So here I have a half cup of onions, a clove of garlic, mint, 1 teaspoon minced ginger, a half a teaspoon of, no, this is a quarter teaspoon of coriander, and I have some scallion, and 4 cups of the mangoes, which I've diced. So I'm gonna just pour enough oil in the pot, just a little bit, about 2 tablespoons, and I'm gonna saute these in that oil. I was not recording, so I missed the last few steps. I thought I was recording. So what I added was 3/4 cups of sugar, a few sprigs of thyme, about 10 seeds of allspice, which is what we call pimento, like these little black seeds here. And I added 3/4 cups of sugar. I'm going to stir this up a bit, and I added a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Just going to turn this around a bit. Let it just sit there for a little. Then I add the remaining ingredients. So now we have most of the liquid has gone out of the mangoes. So I'm going to add the remaining ingredients now. I'm going to add 1 pepper, which is optional. I'm not going to burst it because I don't want it to be hot. 1/4 cup of raisins. And I'm going to add a little black pepper. I'm going to add some vinegar too, but I'm going to add that a little after. When I'm almost done, then I want to add the vinegar. I'm going to cover back this up. Let more of the fluid dry out. And I'm going to add a little water and let the mangoes cook. So when you see the sugar starts to look a little sticky, that's when I'm going to add the water. So I'm going to add 3/4 cups of water and let that simmer. I added 2 cups of water. So here we are. Let the mangoes now simmer down. So I'm going to add the vinegar. Let it simmer down a little bit more and then it will be done. So every mango is different. Some mangoes will cook quicker than others. So if you see where, and it depends on the texture you want. If you want it to be a little softer, you just add some more water and let it simmer some more. So it's up to your liking. Feel free to add more water and let it boil some more. So these mangoes are now boiled down. I like this texture. I didn't want the mango to be too hard. Maybe another minute or two and then this will be done. This is the texture I wanted. Nice and thick. So this is now finished. I'm going to turn off the stove. And it's so yummy.